so I'll give you a little look. So there's just this little retainer clip that holds in the on the windshield wiper. And there's this little spline. I'd call it knurling. It's got this knurling on there that allows it to hold its location and not spin. So guess I'll give this one a try here. Let's see if we can get you kind of set up. See that. The last one, I just put the pick in between there, kind of like that. Then I took the screwdriver from the other side, put it in there, and I just kind of pry it up. And she comes in. The doozy part. Ooh. Ring tension on it. So, anyway. Little progress. Got one door off and got the radiator core out. Got this fender, this inner fender. I'll take those two apart here pretty quick. It's coming along slowly. Got the other fender and the other door to do. And then I think at that point I'll start doing stuff on the inside and maybe sweep this stuff up and get rid of a lot of the dirt. Hopefully it isn't too boring, but I think I'm just going to fast forward so you can... One thing I will say, if you're doing one of these trucks and that's why you're watching this, if you replace the glass, make sure you do a lot of reading on the gasket you buy, because I've had that professionally installed with the gasket, and it actually, the water runs down the face of the windshield, and it goes up and underneath the seal, and then it drips into the cab, and then it goes from the dash down, and it drips right on the floor. So that's a common problem. So eventually I'll be taking that out when I cut the roof, but I'll buy, I bought mine off LMC, and you know, I've bought a lot of stuff out there, good parts and everything. You know, I think they're mediocre. I mean, they're not as good as the factory stuff, but you know, just that seal that they sell for this window gasket, that's the only thing that I've really had problems with. I bought rocker panels from there and stuff, and all that fits good. I bought cap corners, a couple other things, but just watch out for that rubber gasket. I'd probably spend, I don't know what I spent on it, probably $89 or whatever it is on their website. I'd go out and spend an extra, you know, $60, because you're just going to be replacing it over and over again, or you're going to be siliconing it and whatever else. So just one tip of advice. Alright, so quick update. We got all the fenders and stuff taken off. It's all apart. So I think now either I'm going to cut this cab. I was trying to get the windshield out. I'm trying to save the chrome piece around the outside, but I don't quite know. I know guys on that I've met up with say when you cut the windshield out, the best thing to do is to cut it from the inside. But I don't know if my razor blade isn't sharp enough, or because the rubber's cold. I mean, it's about 32 degrees outside or something. So I don't know. I'm just gonna keep cleaning for the meantime, and hopefully get some more progress. It's kind of what I'm hoping for. Just gonna keep cleaning. Okay, so just for reference, you guys are pointing a little low that whole time, huh? So just for reference, you got to be careful. They have these relief cuts to get around the bend. So I got just the tiniest little kink right there. But I think overall it will turn out okay. So just if you're gonna do that, watch out for when you get around the corner. So be a little careful when I go around the next one. Alright, so that took a little while, but we got it done. The real reason I got this truck, I'll show you. So, if you look, I'll go from the inside of the cab here. So if you look, the inside of this is nice and solid. If we jump over to my other truck, see the roof is just rusting away on me. So that's the whole solution. So I'm going to try to cut the roof off and go up and around, and I don't know if I'm going to go all the way around the cab and cut it here, take the whole roof off, or what I'm going to do yet. So I'm going to kind of play it by ear, and we'll see what I can come up with here, but we'll see what else we get done. Okay, just want to give you a little update. I got the back glass out. If you can cut the gasket from the inside, it makes it a lot easier. I just went up and around. It took me maybe 10 minutes to get it out. So if it's possible, cut it from the inside and then just push the window out. Just be careful not to crack it. So I got mine sitting right over here. As you can see, the chrome stuff's still on it, so it turned out pretty good. But so I'm gonna keep working on this. Maybe I'll start cutting. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. So we'll talk to you guys in a while.